Good afternoon and happy Easter. As you all can see, these are the marinated turkey wings that I did yesterday. If you want the recipe for this, you can prefer back to the video that I recorded earlier. Now, these are already marinated, seasoned, ready to go. Like I had stated in my first video, these turkey wings been washed, clean, everything. So don't think damn time Auntie Kim is just taking meat out the packages and just throwing it in there. No, baby, I'm a Southern woman. I got to wash everything. So now these turkey wings are going to be cooked in a 450-degree oven that I already is getting ready to preheat. So once they're done, I'm going to show you how beautiful these things turn out. And trust me, if you follow this recipe, you can't go wrong. The turkey wings are going to be flavorful, seasoned, moist, juicy, everything.
Now, what are you cooking to go with your turkey wings?
What I'm cooking to go with my turkey wings will be green beans with potatoes. I know some of y'all don't like pork, but hey, my green beans are going to be cooked with smoked pigtails. I'm going to have yellow rice and cornbread to go with this meal. So y'all like and subscribe and tune in so you all can finish and look at the product. Thank you so much. Okay, now this is the middle of the process of cooking these turkey wings. As you can see, they're starting to brown and soak in some of that marinade that I recently made yesterday. Once again, if you want to know the seasoning that I use to marinate these turkey wings with, you can actually go to the video that I recorded prior yesterday. Now, I'm going to cover these back up with some foil, and I'm going to put these back in the oven and let them cook for probably another 45 minutes or so. Once the product is done, hey, I'm going to take them out of this pan and I'm going to dress it up. So y'all stay tuned, subscribe and like. Thank you. Now, as you can see, the turkey wings are all done. And this is how they look once they've been cooking in the oven, covered in foil for at least an hour to 25 minutes. Now what I'm about to do is just dress them up. I'm going to put some onions and bell peppers on there. And I'm going to make something that I call like a water gravy to go on them. And I'm going to put them back in the oven just for a little bit more, maybe 10 minutes at the most, just to give them that caramelized brown color. And I'm going to come back and let you see how the finished product look. So hold on. You can see this is the finished product of the turkey wings. Like I said, I had put them back in the oven and let them brown at 325. And I made something called a water gravy. Not a thick country gravy, but just a water gravy with the drippings from the turkey. And I added some more onions and bell peppers and just a tad little more salt and pepper. So this is the finished product. As you can see, they look so good. They look absolutely wonderful. Now, what I got going on here is the rest of my little Sunday dinner. I got the green beans here with the potatoes and the smoked pigtails. Like I said, I know some of y'all don't care for pork, but I'm a Southern woman. Okay, and then I have my yellow rice. And in the oven, if y'all give me 1 second, and this is the cornbread fresh and hot out the oven. So that is my Sunday dinner for today. Like I said, I emphasize on the turkey wings, which was the main entree to this whole dish. I hope you all like and subscribe my channel. If you would like to try the marinade and how I took you through the process of this, please look at my videos. Love y'all. Happy Easter. Until next time.